Since the earthquake that hit Nepal last year, many of the hillside villages that surround Kathmandu are yet to rebuild. With little help from their own government, it's down to charities like Chora Chori to help. That's why this week we're heading to Chapakaka to help repaint a school which was kindly built by Chora Chori.
So we just had our first night camping out in tents. Now we're off to the school to start painting.
They went slightly over budget, so they couldn't afford anyone to paint it, so we're here to save the day.
The thing about this school is that everybody in the community at one stage or another went there.
मैले फिलिङ चाहिँ कस्तो भन्ने यहाँ नजिक भयो नि त नजिक भएपछि अब यो संस्थाले हेरेपछि पक्कै अब त्यो राम्रो हुन्छ अब पठाउने हैन त्यसपछि आउनलाई सजिलो पनि तल लाग्दै तपाईको लगभग
स्कुल लगाएर चाहिँ अझ राम्रो भयो
पहिला चाहिँ तपाईको यो संस्थाले एकचोटि हेर्न सर्च गर्न आउनुभयो त्यसपछि सर्च गरेर आएपछि बच्चाहरू हेऱ्यो त्यसपछि बच्चाहरू लास्टै एक दुईजना भन्थ्यो अनि उहाँहरू आएर फेरि मलाई भेटेर अनि यो त अब म पनि अब यहाँ हजुरहरू भएको मलाई भेटेर त्यसपछि हामी किन चाहिँ बच्चाहरू कम भयो किन चाहिँ बच्चाहरू आउँदैन टिचर आउँदैन भनेर मलाई
So it's been about 2 weeks since we were last at the school. As you can see, they've put all the doors and windows on. It's starting to look like a proper finished building. All we really need now is the carpets and some children.